Welcome to Undefined Geometry. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful 3D CAD software platforms out there, CATIA V5. Whether you're an aspiring engineer, a design enthusiast, or someone curious about cutting-edge technology, this video is your perfect starting point. From designing airplanes and cars to crafting complex consumer products, CATIA V5 is the industry standard for creating, simulating, and analyzing world-class designs. But don't let its reputation intimidate you. This video will break it all down step by step. We'll start with the basics, how to navigate the interface, understand workbenches, and get comfortable with the tools. So, grab your mouse, and let's jump into the world of CATIA V5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design-related tips. This course is designed for people who would like to dip into the world of CATIA and get an introduction to the basic general user interface of CATIA V5 and to gain an understanding of the user interface in a quick and easy to use way. The course will show the user the basics of the interface and how to manipulate the models on the screen. No knowledge of CATIA V5 has been assumed. Everyone needs somewhere to start. This course is that place. After opening the program, the CATIA main screen will open. Depending on your setup, you may start in a part or a product, or an empty screen. If a part or any other window opens, just minimize the window using the buttons on the right. This view is the empty screen. This shows the layout of CATIA V5. We can now look at the menu bar. This is the same as most Windows-based programs. You can access most of the tools in the workbench by opening each menu item. Application tools. This area has all the tools that is related to the current workbench. Standard toolbar. This is located at the bottom left of the window and has all the tools to save, open, copy, and paste. The View menu bar is located on the bottom right of the screen and has all the view tools such as Zoom Control, View All, and HLR Control. Located on the right-hand side of the screen, the application tools change dependent on the current workbench. In this example, we are showing the Part Design Workbench tools. Notice that some of the icons have a small black triangle. This shows that there is an extra level to that menu. Click on the triangle to show the hidden icons. The menus can be moved if you like them in other positions. So that gives a basic rundown of the display screen in CATIA V5. The display screen is the starting point for creating any model, and we now have an understanding of what we are looking at, so we can start to feel comfortable using the software. The location of the toolbars on the screen can change, but the icons will not. That is all for this video. Next time we will be looking to move on from this point and create a sketch.